Hello there, LEGO Star Wars fans and YouTube friends. Here we are with another review on LEGO set 75310 Duel on Mandalore. This LEGO set has 147 pieces and retails for $19.99 in the United States. This LEGO set is depicting a scene from Star Wars Season 7. I think all of us are very excited to get our hands on this and especially recreate some of those fun battles from that last few episodes there. The LEGO set itself is pretty simple. It comes with a throne, it comes with the vault that they lock Darth Maul in, and so very cool stuff. The box art contains the 332nd Trooper, or Ahsoka's clone trooper, as LEGO likes to call them, and it has Darth Maul for the actual size reference on the top of the box. The side is just a copy of this image here, however it is very cool to see that. The back of the box shows the functions of the set, which I'm glad they are doing that. I know sometimes they do, sometimes they don't, and I really think it's a nice way to show off all the features of the set before buying it. You can see here that the throne sits Darth Maul. You can push him through the window. It even has a little secret chest underneath, so to say, little blaster storage there, and of course the vault that they lock Maul in, and as you can see on this picture, you'll be able to see him through the window. I think this is something really neat. I now hope they make the shuttle to put him in. On the bottom of the box is just typical, business there. So anyway, let's open this up and get cracking. Not needed. Pretty small little manual here. Got our small parts bag. Our stickers, that looks like a pain. And our big parts bag. Oop. I thought LEGO was going to go to paper. What's up with that, LEGO? Alright, let's just jump in and build these figures. Oh my god, this Ahsoka. I forgot how amazing she looks. She's got the two faces here. So cool. Her head tails. I think they're called Leku for Togrutas, but please comment and let me know what they are called, so I know for next time. But they are beautiful. Look at that. It looks so cool. Way too big for the character at this time. She's still pretty young in Star Wars Season 7. But here we go. So freaking cool. Put her aside. Now, the real money here. So, Darth Maul's body is done in gunmetal gray. And there we go. Oof, gotta say, I love seeing the red. You don't get too many red blades. A lot of blue blades. And before I show off that guy, I realize I need to give Ahsoka her proper sabers. I only made one. I was getting lazy. Right? We got a little Season 7 pose for you. Okay, Darth Maul. Actually, let's put him on the display stick. That's pretty cool. Gunmetal gray, beautiful little prints here. Very cool. Back print. You guys will see this in the review. Okay. Let's do this. Boom, look at that. I did that first. Did that first, sort of. Don't blame me for the lightsaber. Okay, let's jump in. Of course they make me do the hard sticker right away. I'm not looking forward to this at all. My first time building on camera, so please give me any feedback. If I'm too talkative, if I'm not talkative enough. Just kidding, that's not going to happen. But no, if you can't see or you want to see something more, better angles, whatever, you just let me know. What is this? Oh, I forgot they make them now. I remember having to build those yourself. There we go. Oh man, I'm so nervous for this piece. Eek. What the heck? Look at that. You see that? It's like a scuff in there already. See that? What the heck? Lego. Rude. Alright, scuffed piece. Let's see if I can do this. I will literally buy another set and do this again if I screw this up. I feel like I'm gonna screw it up. What do we think, guys? A little too tall? Actually, it's a little... Oh, no. That is a little screwed up. Sheesh. Oh, well. I'll get another one. I'll do it better next time. It's my first time, guys. Like, come on, give me a break. Now, for the side panel one... You know, it would be cool just to have multiples of these just to have more of those cool orange stickers. What do you think, guys? Good? Bad? Where my flat 2 at? Ooh, in this pile, huh? Spicy. Bad. No. You lost your privileges for that lightsaber. You used it for too many bad things. Yes. Alright. Just one more look at that. It's so cool. So cool. I almost want to just get another set just to get one of these again. I don't know what I would do too, but I just think it's so cool. Anyway... Let's get to the throne. Skip ahead here. There we go. Guys, where is this? Where's this piece? Show me. Oh, duh. It's always a duh, isn't it? Ah, see that? Screwed up right there. That's what happens when you're going a little too fast. I wonder how many of you guys caught that. Just didn't want to go on. Hate that. You see that? My fingerprint. It's gonna be in there forever. See-through stickers. What am I doing that off camera? Sorry about that, guys. I would say that came out pretty good. And then I'll put it on and be like, oh, never mind. No, that came out good. Gotta follow those rules again. This is gonna be the crappy part. Stay. It's a little crooked, but I think it looks okay. Just leave it. Don't want to peel it up and then have to. Hey, look at that. It was the next step after all. But, you know, it stinks to peel it up and then the stickiness, whoops, sorry about that. Stickiness goes away and just the whole thing gets ruined. Whoops. Kind of wish I put these a little lower. But you know what? Again, I think I'll get the set again and I'll just do it again. One day. This is the fun, real, just try my best. Such a cool little build. This is enjoyable, at least. It's easy, but kind of fun at the same time. I like the little design. It's kind of simple, but it's nice. There's a nice little glow to it. It's cool. I'm actually kind of surprised I don't have another one of these. I don't know why. I just feel like that would be like an extra part because it's kind of a weird one. It's a little more simple design than I thought. A nice way to seal up that chair. Interesting. Nice little part. I don't know. Oh, this is the tray. Look how smooth that is. Ooh. So weird that they add that blaster in there. That's nice. Nice little design. Pretty hidden. Easy to shake out, I think. And there you have it. Empty sticker sheet. There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the build video. Please like and subscribe if you want to get alerts to see more videos like this. And yeah, this was a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks. Bye.